Here's how to beat the heat at Universal Orlando. The Florida heat can be intense, so here are the best ways to stay cool and enjoy your day at Universal Orlando.
In no particular order, you're going to want to start early. Try to arrive before park opening and do the most outdoor attractions in the first few hours because the Florida heat and crowds typically peak in the afternoon.
A great way to cool off is using the indoor attractions. Good places to cool off include Harry Potter and the Escape from Gringotts, E.T. Adventure, Men in Black, Alien Attack, The Bourne Stuntacular, and Race to New York starring Jimmy Fallon specifically has a lobby area where you can sit down, relax, and take a break from that Florida heat. Other attractions over at Islands of Adventure would be The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man, Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey, Cat in the Hat, and Skull Island Reign of Kong. For Epic Universe, some great attractions to cool off would be Harry Potter and the Battle at the Ministry, Monsters Unchained, Mario Kart Bowser's Challenge, and both of the shows at Epic Universe, those being the Untrainable Dragon Show in Isle of Berk, and Les Cirque Canoe, and the Wizarding World of Harry Potter.
Next is taking advantage of water rides. Our favorites are Jurassic Park River Adventure and Dudley Do-Right's Ripsaw Falls. And if you want to get absolutely soaked, make sure to go on Popeye and Bluto's Bilge Wrap Barges or Fire Drill.
Next, and probably the most important, is stay hydrated. Ask for free cups of water at any of the quick service locations around the park. Carry a refillable water bottle, and don't wait until you're thirsty. Play a little fun game in the park called Every Time You See a Water Fountain, Go and Drink. You're probably dehydrated, and you probably don't realize it because you're just having so much fun.
Next, a great option would be planning a midday break. Pretty much in the middle of the afternoon when the temperatures and the crowds are the highest, you're going to want to go take a break, whether that's going back to the hotel and swimming at the pool or just grabbing some lunch in the AC.
Our next tip is going to be wearing the right clothing. Wearing light colors, comfortable, breathable shoes, bringing hats, and sunglasses are great options.
Some other cooling accessories include neck fans, cooling towels, portable handheld fans, and a small umbrella for shade. I think I feel the AC coming from this right now. This is the Hogwarts Express from King's Cross going into Hogsmeade, aka Islands of Adventure. This is a great way to cool off. Yeah, that's actually the AC right now. I think we're gonna go park hop and cool off. The Hogwarts Express is a train that will take you between Universal Studios Florida and Islands of Adventure.
This is air conditioned and will give you a short break from the heat while still enjoying an attraction. And of course, don't forget sunscreen. If you can, try to reapply this every 2 hours. The Florida sun can be intense, even on cloudy days. And during the really hot months, Universal has these cool zones located all around the park with fans and misters.
Another great way to cool off is getting something frozen. Whether that be frozen butterbeer, ice cream, or Lewis's favorite, the Freeze Ray Pops in Minions Land. Regardless, don't underestimate how something frozen can help you beat the heat.
Our last and final tip to beat the heat, and this is probably one of the best ways, is staying until park close. During the hottest part of the day, temperatures can feel brutal, but once the sun starts setting, it becomes much more comfortable. The park also tends to feel less crowded in the final hours, meaning shorter wait times for many attractions. Be sure to check out our park closing video to see this in action. Plus, you'll get to enjoy the park after dark, when rides like Velocicoaster and Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure offer a completely different experience at night. And that's how you beat the heat at Universal Orlando. If you can, we highly recommend planning your visit between October and February when the temperatures are much more comfortable. But no matter when you visit, stay hydrated, take breaks, and have a great time in the parks.
My advice is don't be afraid to get wet on those water rides. They'll cool you right off, and I was really tempted to go on Dudley today, but I'm always tempted to go on Dudley's, so just do it.
If you are going to go on the water rides, especially Popeye and Bluto's, you got to bring extra clothes for sure. Leave them at the hotel room or something because you might cool off, but it kind of could ruin your day too, I would say, because you're going to be walking around with wet shoes and that's not fun to be in the park in as well. You might be cooled off, but you're squashing around with wet feet all day and that's not fun either. So yeah, that just about does it. If you have any questions, be sure to leave those in the comments down below. We'd be happy to help you out. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for more videos just like this one, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Bye.